Hello everyone, welcome to suni'scraftistry. Today we will learn how to make this beautiful rose headband with satin ribbon. It's very easy and very simple to make. We have already learned how to make these beautiful roses in our previous video. I'll link the video in the description box for your reference. So let's begin now. For this, we need a couple of handmade roses, leaves and some stones. Here I have taken a plastic headband and covered it with satin ribbon of 1/2 inch width. You can use either grosgrain or satin ribbon to cover the headband. So this is a small stone which I have again made by placing the kundan and a ball chain, the stone chain around it on a felt sheet. You can easily make them in any way you want. So these are the materials we need to start with our headband. First, try to locate the center of the headband and then apply the glue there and start placing the roses from that point. That will always give you a uniform number of roses on either side. So now I am placing my first rose at the center of the headband as shown. Now the process is very simple. Just keep applying glue next one after the other and place the roses on them. Just like that. I've just applied small amount of glue next to the rose and then placed one handmade rose over it. So this is how we are going to go through the entire headband. We also sell these headbands, all the handmade products that we show you in the video. You can always check them out from our Instagram and Facebook pages and message us for more details. I'll quickly attach all the roses on the headband one by one. That's the reason I have kept the video in the quick mode so that it will not take much time. Be very patient as you attach one rose at a time so that the gap between the roses is always uniform. So once you are done, you can also leave the headband just like that. Even that looks beautiful. Or you can add an additional touch by giving leaves in between the roses, like how I'll be showing you in this video. Again, these leaves are very easy to make. I've already shared them in the YouTube. Check them out on my channel. I'll link even the video for that in the description box for your reference. You can always use your creativity to bring out different models. So here I will be placing the leaves in between. You can place 2 leaves at a time or 3 at a time or single leaf at a time. It's up to your choice. My idea is to put 1 leaf on either side and place a stone in the center. So let's start with the process. So here I'll show you how to attach leaves in between the roses. Apply very little amount at the base of the leaf and then place it carefully in between the roses. 1 on either side because we'll be placing a stone in the center. Either you can first start attaching on one side and then come to the other side, or up to you. So this is how you need to keep attaching, 1 on either side and place the stone at the center. I'll quickly finish off the other side and show you the finished product. So friends, this is how the finished product looks like. It looks so beautiful. Red roses are always a highlight. This headband is easily made at home. Very easy. Do try it out at your home. It looks so gorgeous. This handmade headband will definitely be an additional beauty for your little ones. So if you liked my video, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you. Stay safe and stay happy.